Welcome back to Story Crypto. In this video I want to show you how to list an ordinal for sale in Magic Eden. So I'm going to go ahead and connect my wallet, and I'm going to connect to Xverse and go ahead and approve the connection. Then go ahead and click on your profile and my items. In this case we're going to list a Bitmap. So the first thing we want to do is go see what the floor price of Bitmap is. So let's open that. Alright, so you can see that currently there's 37 buys pending right now for Bitmap, which means it's pretty liquid. So we should be able to sell if we were to list right at the floor price. In this case, I'm going to list a little bit above the floor and see what happens. So let's list it a little bit higher. Let's list it at 0.00097. So let's go back here and say we're going to say 0.00097, which is just a little bit above the floor price. We're going to go ahead and say list now. Go ahead and review the transaction and then click confirm, and you'll see this message that says it's been listed. You have the ability to change the price if you'd like or cancel the listing. And if we go back to my items and we scroll down to the one we listed, you'll see it's already pending. So let's click on it, which means somebody has already purchased it. It's just a matter of time now until this transaction goes through and it'll show up in your Xverse wallet. So I'll pause this video and I'll be right back. Alright, so just a quick update. This transaction started at 7:18 p.m. It's about 7:33, so it's still pending. So while we're waiting, we'll go ahead and click here. This will open up Mempool, where we can look at the transaction, and currently it's at unconfirmed still. So we will wait. I'll be right back. Alright, so it looks like we have two confirmations. Let's go ahead and go back to Magic Eden and let's refresh this. It looks like the transaction went through. If we scroll down, you can see that it's been completed. It was transferred from my wallet to this wallet. Let's go ahead and open up Xverse, and if we click on BTC, you'll see transaction history, received that amount of Bitcoin, so the transaction went through. So that's how you sell an ordinal on Magic Eden. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next one.